Cruise prices are insane. Hey travel lovers, welcome back to Traveling with Thia. Today we need to talk about something that's been driving me absolutely bonkers lately. Cruise prices. Can you believe how insane they've gotten? I've been trying to plan my cruises for next year, and let me tell you, the prices have gone through the roof. Now don't get me wrong, cruising is still a fantastic way to travel, but with these skyrocketing prices, we have to make some serious changes to our plans. Hi, I'm Thia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. This year, we're spending a whopping 82 nights on board cruise ships. And no, cruise lines don't sponsor me. We pay out of pocket just like everyone else. So I feel your pain. In today's video, we're diving into why cruise prices have shot up so much and what you can do to still enjoy your dream cruise without breaking the bank. Okay, let's break it down. Since 2019, cruise prices have jumped anywhere from 17.5% to 50%. Yes, you heard that right. Wall Street analyst C. Patrick Scholes of Truist says prices for 2024 sailings are up 17.5% to 22.5% compared to 2019. And it doesn't stop there. Another analysis, Brant Montour of Barclays, puts the increase for 2024 at 20 to 30%. For 2025, prices could be up as much as a staggering 50%. So, I mean, wow, right? What's driving these crazy price hikes? First off, demand is through the roof. Since 2019, passenger volume has surged globally by 6.8%. and in North America by 17.5%. Plus, 27% of recent cruisers were new to cruising. That's more than double the 12% we saw before. It's like everyone and their grandmother wants to cruise. Why is everyone so obsessed with cruising right now? Well, after being cooped up during the pandemic, people are craving experiences over things. Cruises offer an all-in-one vacation. You unpack once, see multiple destinations, and everything is taken care of. It's no wonder why they're so popular. But there's more to it. Operational costs have skyrocketed. Think fuel, staffing, and health protocols. Plus, cruise lines are rolling out new ships with all the bells and whistles, which aren't cheap. Of course, high demand and limited supply always pushes prices up. Before we get to how we can keep cruising with these insane prices, I'd like to invite you to join the Traveling with Thia community. It's easy and free. Just tap that subscribe button, head over to Facebook or Instagram, and follow me there. So what can we do to avoid burning a hole in our pockets? Here are some tips to help you cruise smart. These are the classic tips. If you've been cruising a while, I'm sure you know these. But if you stay to the end, I'll give you my strategies to save some money. First is book early. Lock in those early bird discounts. The earlier you book, the better the deal. Be flexible with dates. Traveling during off-peak times like shoulder season, avoid holidays and school breaks to snag lower rates. Look for deals and discounts. Sign up for newsletters from cruise lines and travel agencies to catch some promotions. Consider different destinations. Some regions are cheaper to cruise than others. For example, a Caribbean cruise might be more budget friendly than the Mediterranean one. Use a travel agent. They often have access to exclusive deals that can help you find the best rates. Now, for what I'm doing in addition to these items, first, I became a travel agent, so I'd have insight into when the sales and deals are going on and make a little money doing what I already am doing. We're cruising on older ships. You'll find much better prices on older ships than new ones. I priced 2 cruises out of Fort Lauderdale in October 2025, just one day apart. One is on Icon of the Seas, a balcony, and it's coming in at $2,282. But on Oasis of the Seas, the same balcony starts at $1,112. That's more than double. Another trick we have started is taking either longer cruises or back-to-back. And I know that doesn't work for everyone, but for us it helps us save on airfare, which we can spend on cruises. Tip 4, we are cruising closer to home. We normally cruise out of San Juan every winter, and this year instead we're saving a little on airfare and cruising out of Miami. Still a flight, but a little cheaper. But you can do this by finding a cruise closer to home. And tip 5, checking out more budget-friendly cruise lines. So if you're used to selling a luxury brand like Cunard, maybe move to a high-end brand like Celebrity. Or if you're used to that, maybe drop to a more mass market line like Royal Caribbean. Or if you like your cruise line, you could drop down a category in cabins. If you want to learn more about how to save on suites, watch this video now.